Oh, I like. Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you comment down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from our description, we have our October/November Chic Beauty Box. I did receive this a few days ago, but like I have been saying, I have moved, so I am behind in making these videos. But guys, I love this subscription. I don't know if I said this is $34.99 every other month. I do have a discount code that can save you some money. I believe it's 10% off. Don't sleep on this. This is one of my new favorite subscription boxes. So if you want to see what I got in this box, is it worth the $34.99? Am I going to bite my words? Then keep on watching. All right, I know a couple things that are going to be in here because I follow them on Instagram, but I don't know everything and I don't remember because my mind has been really out of it. All right, so let me show you what she looks like. Good things come in small packages. And let me just tell you something, this box may be small, but the stuff inside is what's important. And this is really a good box, all jokes aside. This is fairly a new box. I believe they only had maybe about 3 or 4, maybe 5 boxes out so far. And I am like, I love this box. All right, let me stop talking and just get right into it. Is it taped up? Oh, no. All right, so when you open it up, that's what she looks like. It says, hey, Chic babe. All right, and then that's what it looks like. And there's a little sneak peek, not too much. All right, so the theme for this month, oh, this is the September/October box. Okay, so you could have either got, what should be? Like either this side or this side. Now, because I have older eyes, when they have really light coloring there, I can't think of my words, I really can't see too much. So hopefully I can let you know what it says. All right, so let me just show you the first thing that I see. Now, a lot of times you do get higher end and you do get some drugstore stuff, but this is the NYX blush. And guys, I used to use this when I first started getting into makeup. I was 40, almost 41 when I started getting into makeup. And this was one of the first blushes that I used. And I love these blushes. This is in the shade Peach. It is PBO6. So let me open her up and take a swatch. Yeah, I haven't used these in a few years. And I am really excited to get this because I did love them then. Okay. All right, so that's what it looks like. Oh, there's a tape there, Anne. Come on, get it together. Okay, and that's what it looks like. It says peach, but this is more like a pinky peach. Very pretty. Ah, see, it's more like a pinky color. I love that so much. I've been doing this new thing with my blushes. I've been putting a little bit on my nose, too. I don't know why, but I really actually like doing that. All right, let's see if I can find the price. $7.50. Okay. The next thing, oh, this is another drugstore. So this is the Almay Goddess Gloss. And I love this type of gloss. The rest, I believe, is all brand names. All right, let me see if I can get it. Okay. Does this say the shade? Let's see. Yeah, Goddess Gloss. All right. So it's a regular doe foot applicator. Because I moved, I don't know if you watched my IPSY video. I will leave that down below. I did the October IPSY Glam Bag and the Plus. And I'm in the new area, so I don't know how this lighting is. I'm filming in the same day. So let me know down below. Is it too dark, too bright? Let me know. All right, so it is just a regular gloss. It's like a shimmery gloss. Really pretty. Let's put a little bit on and see. Oh, I already have gloss on, so I don't know what you'll be able to see. But this is more of a bronzy color. I really like this a lot. And it doesn't feel sticky. All right, I'm definitely excited for that. Then we have the NARS Orgasm. Love that. This is the liquid. Oh, I didn't tell you how much this costs. Let's see. Where you be? $9.99. Okay, so I think what they're doing, so what this is, you could have got any of this stuff in your box. So there's actually a lot of things in here that you could have got. All right, so then we have this NARS Orgasm Blush. Yes. Oh, that is so cute. Okay, let's read up about it. Let's see. What you be? Oh, this is not a blush. This is a liquid highlighter. I stand corrected. So this is the NARS Orgasm Liquid Highlighter for $30. Now, I don't know how this thing works. Let's see. What is this? Okay, so I guess you pump here, and then the highlighter gets in there. I'm just going to put a little bit on. I tend to use these more like in the summertime, but this is really pretty because what I'll do, oh, that's really pretty, is put these on my legs, you know, or my arms. That's pretty. That's really pretty because it's subtle. So that would look really, really good like on your arms or legs or something. All right, I'll definitely use that. And this just about pays for the box. It's $30. The box is $34. And I love the fact that this is bi-monthly. So love that. All right, the next thing we got is from Milk Makeup. What'd you be? It's an eye vinyl. I have no idea what that is. Let's see. It says Milk Makeup Vinyl Strobe. This is $20. It says just a few clicks reveal a slick pigmented shade and ticky free. I think they meant to say sticky free, not ticky free. All right. I have no idea what this is. Let's see. Oh, I think that's the shade there. Is this like a black shade? Oh no.
Come on, don't be scared. Okay, it's coming,
Okay, there we go. So it is like a black color. So I'm not sure if that's like a lipstick or what. What is this? No, I guess it's for your eye. It's like a gloss for your eye. All right, I'll have to play around with it. I'm sure you can use it as a lipstick as well. But it's nice for Halloween, and I'll definitely play around with it, definitely. Because I could put this on my eye and maybe like with the golds, like a shimmer, like a glitter. I don't know. I'll play around with it. That's why I like makeup. You could just play around with it. If you don't like it, you just wipe it off. All right, so then we have this. This looks like it is the last thing in the box. Okay, so this is the Bare Minerals Invisible Lights. Now, I believe that I got this in a BOXYCHARM a few years ago. I believe. I'll have to open it up to make sure. But let's see how much this is. So this is $32. It says it's a 2-in-1 matte and glow finishes. You can set your makeup and blur fine lines, pores, and imperfections. Yes, I did receive this before, and I really did like this. That was like when I first started BOXYCHARM. Had to be at least 2 years ago. I gotta rip the box. All right, so that's what it looks like. Let me know down below if you remember getting this. Did you have BOXYCHARM then? All right, so that's what it looks like. And then we have these two shades, let's say. And there we go. So one is more like a matte. It's not going to show, really. One is more like a matte, and one is like to, like you put under your eyes so it doesn't look dry and stuff. But I really did like it. So you have the glow here, and you have the mattes. Ew. All right, so let's recap really quick what we got for $34.99. And like I said, this is a bi-monthly subscription box. So we have this by Bare Minerals. We have the NARS, what was it again? Highlighter, which is really, really pretty. We have the Almay Gloss, and I think this is probably my favorite, even though I know it's a drugstore, but I just love lip gloss, and it's really pretty, and it's not tacky or anything. We got this NYX blush. So again, another drugstore, but I really do like these blushes. Let me know down below if you tried them before and what you think of them. They really are pretty good. And then this is one that I'm like, I don't tend to go for like eye glosses. That is just not my style, but I'm gonna play around with it and see how it is. So this is the only thing I can like kind of leave it, you know, but I'm glad to get it in the subscription box, and that way I get to try it. But guys, I really do like this subscription box. I think for only the 4th or 5th box so far, they are really, really doing well. And I also like the fact that it's bi-monthly, because if you're like me that gets so many subscription boxes, you know, it's like, it's nice sometimes to get a bi-monthly box. And you usually get, this is like all makeup. I don't really remember any skincare products. It's basically all makeup, and I like that as well. So let me know down below, what do you think of this subscription? Do you get this box? Let me know all the tea down below. Don't forget, I do have that discount code. I don't receive anything out of it. It's just for you guys to save money. So if you do want to try the box, make sure you use that code to save some money off. And that is everything, guys. Please like this video. It really does help me out. It helps YouTube kind of like promote this video. If you like unboxings, if you like subscription boxes, mystery boxes, I have some advent calendars coming up that I'm going to unbox. So if you enjoy that type of content, please, If you enjoy that type of content, then please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love for you to join our family. Don't forget to turn that post notification bell on. Make sure that you double tap it and it is on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos and my upcoming giveaways. I have one now going on. I will leave that down below. It is in the IPSY video, so make sure you check that out. And that's everything, guys. I am still unpacking, so I'm getting there. Hopefully in another week or 2, I should be straight. I still got to get furniture. Oh my God, it's a mess. But thank you everybody who have been checking on me. I really do appreciate it, and be prepared for a lot of videos this month. All right, guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I really like this box. Yes, ma'am.